Welcome to fucking Mushroom Hunting with Sean, episode 2 of my walkey poo with Dr. Gordon Walker, fascinated by fungi.
So, you see how gooey this thing is? It's just covered in slime. No, don't eat this. This is a Cortinarius, has brown spores. It's super gooey. It is definitely not edible. It smells weird. Why would you eat this?
Fuck that. When mushroom hunting, it's not just about eye-fucking a mushroom. It's important to observe what types of trees are around and to also nose-fuck them. That means smell them, dumbass.
Out here in Sonoma County, we found a candy cap, Lactarius rubidus. So this little beauty smells like maple. Has a compound in it called sodalon, dude, and it smells just like maple syrup because it's the same thing that's in maple syrup, but it's a mushroom.
Fucking A. Nice.
Okay, so this is where you can mess up with the candy caps. Here's another Lactarius that's pretty brown, looks a lot like a candy cap, but underneath, I can show you guys, when I score it, the latex that comes out, if there's latex that comes out, there it is. So it's white initially, and candy caps have sort of an opalescent latex that's not quite as white. And over about 20 to 30 seconds, this stuff will stain yellow. In fact, you can see it starting to go a little bit yellow. So this tells me that this is Lactarius xanthogalactus, and this is a poisonous, inedible Lactarius species that you can confuse for candy cap. So make sure you understand the difference between xanthogalactus versus rufulus and rubidus.
In other words, don't fucking eat it, dumbass. This little red job is a hygrocybe waxy cap, colloquially called I caught my fucking dick in my zipper and now it's all red and shit. But people complain that that's too long of a name to say in conversation, so it was shortened to ouchie dick.
We got another weirdo mushroom. Oh, it's sporing all over the place here. So this is a weirdo mushroom called an elfin saddle. This is Helvella. So sometimes they call them false morels, but they don't look anything like a morel. But they have this sort of really interesting like honeycomb stipe and this like weird invaginated black cap. And if you blow on them, the spores will come out. And actually right before we settled down, I accidentally blew on this. A bunch of spores came out. But this is the Helvella. And these are toxic if you try to eat them straight up. They contain a toxin called gyrometrin, which hydrolyzes to monomethylhydrazine, which is essentially something that's in rocket fuel. It's super carcinogenic neurotoxin. So you don't want to eat these straight up, but if you double boil them, they actually make a pretty good edible. So, things are toxic, but if you cook them right, they're not always toxic. So, elfin saddle.
Well, I'm not fucking eating it. Well, tick-tock, tick-tock, our 3 minutes has run the fuck out, so stay tuned for episode 3 of me and Gordon wandering around the fucking forest, and until then, remember, don't fucking eat that, dumbass.